we guide you through how to get free Google Voice phone number. First, open your browser and go to the Google Voice or download the app on your phone. Then, sign in using your Google account. Once you're in, tap or click Get a Number. Enter your city or area code to search for available numbers and choose the one you like best. After selecting, you'll need to link your existing phone number for verification. So, enter your real number and wait for the verification code sent it via SMS. Type in the code to confirm, and once verified, your new Google Voice number is ready to use for calls, texts, and voicemail. You can also customize settings like voicemail, greetings, and call forwarding inside the app. And that's it. You now have free Google Voice number you can use anytime for personal or business purposes without needing an extra SIM card.